Alright, so if your battery icon is missing in Windows 10, there are two methods to fix this. So the first method, just right click on your taskbar and click on taskbar settings. Okay, right, so this is going to open the settings gear, and then you can expand it and then scroll down to where it says 10 system icons on or off. Click on it, and then these are the icons. You can decide to turn them off or on. Okay, so you can see the power icon, that's the battery, is off, so I'm going to turn it on. All right, so now if you go back to your taskbar, you are going to see the battery icon showing here. All right, so there are some instances where this method doesn't work. In that case, the power icon here is going to be ghosted and you will not be able to turn it on. If that's the case, then it could be your drivers, and we are going to fix that. So if that's the case, then you can move to the second method. Okay, right, so in the second method, we are going to click on the start button, and then we are going to select device manager right here. All right, so when you are here, click on the batteries to expand it. You will see a driver called Microsoft ACPI compliant control method battery. All right, so right click on it and then disable device. Confirm by clicking on yes. Good. Now come back again, right click on it, and then this time around click on enable device. Alright, so that is it. Is we fix the problem, and then your battery icon is going to show on your taskbar here. Okay, alright, so that is it. So see you in the next video and stay safe. Goodbye.